Chest measurement. Measure the circumference of the chest by wrapping the measuring tape around the fullest part of the chest or bust. To ensure that the measurements are precise, make sure that the tape is leveled all the way round the chest. Shoulder measurement. To measure your shoulders, place the tape at the edge of the left shoulder across the back of the neck, and continue it to the edge of the right shoulder. Upper waist measurement. Upper waistline is the smaller area of the waist and usually an inch or two above the belly button. You can also locate it easily by bending towards one side. Lower waist measurement. Contrasting to the natural waist, the lowest waist is the widest part of the waist and is usually at the belly button or just below it. Jacket length measurement. To measure the length of the jacket, begin from the collar, measure straight down along your body and stop at your desired length. Sleeves measurement. To measure your sleeve, place the tape at the edge of your shoulder, and guide it all the way down, ending at your wrist at the length you desire. Hip measurement. You can measure the hip by measuring the circumference around the fullest part of your hips. Please review the size chart prior purchase.